It started thousands of miles away. A war in the Middle East, Iran, the United States, Israel, that most Jamaicans were watching on the news like it was somebody else's problem. Somewhere far away. Something that had nothing to do with the price of chicken back or the cost of bus fare. But here is the thing about living in a connected world. Nobody is far away anymore. Oil prices have already shot past $100 a barrel. The Strait of Hormuz, one of the most critical shipping routes in the entire world, disrupted. Fuel costs surging, shipping costs climbing, and every single one of those things flows directly into the Jamaican economy like water through a cracked pipe. Gas prices in Jamaica were already up 20% since January. Now they are climbing again. And it is not just gas. It is everything that gas touches, which is everything. The food in the supermarket, the fare on the bus, the electricity bill at the end of the month, the cost of building materials, the cost of importing the rice and flour that Jamaica depends on to survive. We import almost everything, and when the world gets more expensive, Jamaica gets more expensive. When global supply chains break down, Jamaica feels it first and hardest. And the remittances that so many Jamaican families depend on from relatives abroad. The economy sending that money is slowing down too. The pressures coming from every direction at once. But here is what nobody is talking about. There is a silver lining, and it is sitting right on our shores. Tourism. Because when the Middle East becomes a war zone, tourists go somewhere else, and that somewhere else, it could be Jamaica. European travelers are already redirecting. Bookings to the Caribbean are rising. And if Jamaica plays this right, if the government moves fast and the tourism sector responds, this crisis could actually bring more visitors to our shores than ever before. War is never good news. But for a small island that has always had to survive in a world that was not built for it, Jamaica has to find the opportunity inside the storm. The question is, are we ready?